There it is, smart garage control. Let's see what's up with it because I keep forgetting my garage door open. So this is the main unit. This is the power cord for it. This is the adapter that goes on the door. A good idea would be to test it out, make sure it works before you drill it in. So I'm gonna just configure it real quick, make sure it works. This is the app, you have to download it. Also on this instruction manual, there is an actual digital manual, so they saved on paper. This is a sensor that goes on the garage door. It has a battery protector, battery built in. Well, actually it's removable, you can replace it, and then it just pops open, and then you can drill this one into a garage door. Once you're in the app, you just have to set up this part. So we have the smart garage control. So we got the light source blinking blue. It's gonna go through this process. It's gonna ask you which network you want to connect to. So I have to install it on the door panel. So they have this little thing that you have to put in the back of the unit itself. Or you could drill it in. I think I'm gonna drill it in just to make sure it stays there. And here's mine drilled in. Vegas heat, the adhesive comes off the door. The door gets to 150, 160 degrees from the sun. So I just drilled it in and it's installed on the door. Now we have to pair this unit to the garage door. It's gonna act like a remote. So here I have a button. I had to push it, and right now it's trying to pair with the unit. It's gonna try to make a couple of attempts. My garage door just opened, so that means that they might have had a successful pair. So they want you to put it close to an AC outlet. In my case, I think I'm gonna mount it on the ceiling because I have an AC outlet over there. I'm gonna leave this genie ugly thing over here because this one controls the lights and the garage door is instant. So how far we got? Google doesn't work with it. So the only way you can close the garage door is through the app or by pushing this button. So the alerts are coming in for the garage being closed and open. So also emails, those are coming in, which is good, but it's not working with Google Home. I was able to get notifications, but it seems that the app itself is not linking with Google, doesn't even exist. There's no MyQ in Google, so maybe the partnership didn't go. It's also subscription based, so it's free, but it's a subscription based service. So what that means is that by 2023, when my thing expires in 2 years, then I'll have to pay for it. So the app works, and I do get the updates. So if I push this button, it's gonna open the garage door. So it says that it's open for the past 2 seconds because the sensor is working. And when I close it, it has a delay because it's gonna do this. So it gives you a warning, so make sure that nobody gets stuck under the door, something like that. So it's interesting, but it does close. So that's good. And also you see the alerts are coming in, which is good. And it has a short delay before it actually can figure out that actually it got closed. So it's a little bit strange as far as it goes, but now finally figured out and you get the alert. The part that is weird is that Google Home doesn't have it. So if you go set up a device and it works with Google, you're supposed to look into home control under MyQ. So I'm going to type MyQ and guess what you get? Nothing. So I don't know. Now you can set up a schedule to close your garage door if it's open at 9 and 10 p.m. every day. What's interesting, it doesn't have an option to close the garage door like, let's say, 10 minutes after you got home. So let's say you walk in the garage, you forgot to close it. It should have a function where it closes automatically behind you if you forgot, and it doesn't. So that's something that can be easily controlled by the app, but I think it's not really very smart yet. This might be going back. Drilled a couple of holes, and I'm sorry, to be very honest with you, but we'll see what's gonna happen. So far, this is my review. Thanks for watching.